right, this piece is all dried. I love the combination of those blues together. I think that background looks really, really cool. And you can see, I mean, because I used all blues, you don't see different colors blending together, but you can see how, you can see a little bit of each of the colors. I don't know, I just like the way colors blend together when you just add a bunch of water and let it do its thing. Sometimes you get the most unexpected results from that. All right, so my back or my matte pieces are cut once again, and I did similar ones to the last card, just in colors that coordinated with the colors of this background. And then you can also see how curved my cardstock is from the water and stuff like that. Even when you use watercolor paper and mixed media paper, it's bound to happen. So once again, I use the acrylic block, make sure it's set the way that I want it to, and then add a weight to it. This one here is almost dry, and you can see how much it's flattened out just by letting it dry with the weight on top of it. So that works really, really well. It just takes a little bit of time. All right, in the next card, we're going to use some markers right on a stamp.